getting the wedding prepared. Let's go. Yeah, no, this way. Let's go on a tour, guys. All right, guys, this is the place. Whew. Oh, 바로 river.
Look at the
Huh?
Where?
Oh, yeah, they're right there.
No.
They're right there.
이거 ngeni Kevin 그거 잘했던 비디오의 wedding. Yeah, the parking lot. Every talk about my toilet. Yeah, the parking lot. Every just 17. Ma, 17 there. Oh, not 17. Oh, Friday did street. Capital. Yeah, Capital. Area. Down that side, that's downtown. Study about park. No, not. Okay. Sabar itu. Ito rin. Ewa fito ron na pa fe pa mang ni. Recording it. Ayan na.
You even have a portable AC right here so she can come inside.
Come inside, Diana.
Like this is just cool. You kind of utilize this. Come take pictures
Come inside.
here.
Go inside, Diana.
Wow. Oh, nice. Yeah. This AC feels good. Well,
Ooh.
this is how it looked inside trains
Let's go here.
before. Yes, isn't it neat?
Is the horn?
Yeah.
The horn?
I don't, yeah, but it's definitely neat. Yes, this may take your before thing. Yeah.
Would that be kind of fun?
It's the old school, like. Ooh.
Yeah. On the stairs too.
Mm-hmm. Just a unique
It's
photo.
a middle office area.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, 사람 딱
Area capital. Oh, variedade, güey. Statue. Hello, you gonna fix it?
I said it's back.
What was that?
bathroom.
I feel like that's so.
Oh.
Even this one, right? It just has like little information in it.
Let's check him out. Oh yeah.
You jump in real quick.
Ooh.
Cool down, but it's still hot.
Oh, we can't even see those fish. Yuk, negi chon. Jawara sese area. Pari. Yuk, si boleh dorong nare. Neri. Oh, ikan ke tak?
Map will have everything to where you're able to show them.
Kak terus tak.
Thank you.
Man, you didn't see them when you were standing
I
right there.
didn't see it. Now I see one. Oh, they're right here.
Yeah.
What the heck? She says duck.
Oh, I love that.
Duck, duck.
Look at the ducks fly.
Hi, duck.
Sakay pero naskado.
Duck, duck, duck. Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
say bye. Say bye. Let's go.
Bye. Bye. Let's say it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Bye, dog. Bye, dog. Tak. Tak. Tak. Tak. You're here to get offload. Serok. Offload itu. Ya, saya buat asyik park na. Ya, saya park na main parking. Ciao por dia. Jika awak berjikar, cara tu video, wedding. Feel free to jump in the water. Moneta, пошутка. Oh, it's the transmission. For the airbag. Ooh. Woo hoo hoo. Then I was just did it. The kid.
This is the creek, the Mill Creek, and
Mill
so
Creek?
the city
Oh.
controls the flow of it.
Wow. It's a nice place to sit.
It is, yeah.
Huh? What's that?
He's shooting.
Oh. Oh, sniper. No, he probably played PUBG last night. Huh? Yeah. Enemies ahead. Sniper. Practice, practice. Probably like old school cowboy, yeah. The way they shoot the gun. What's today, yaar? Korik, Podiwe, Mill Creek, Mill City. Pat negi rasa sik. Oh.
1857.
Huh?
It used to be a church.
Used to be a church, this
Yep.
building? Oh, 1857. What is it? Dance floor? Floor?
Stage, yeah.
Stage? Ya na barık. Ha barık barık barık. Ha barık barık. Ha barık barık barık. Ha barık barık. Ha barık barık barık. Ha barık barık. Oh, hey, hey, bro. Hey, bro. What you doing? Come on, man. Now wait for the wood. Jenna. Come on, man.
Fell inside the hole.
마음에 들고 땄어요. It's okay. You'll buy a new one after the wedding. Who's this? King Kami? Oh, I was gonna say King Kamehameha. Wait, not tank. Masona not tank or wine. Ira. Teka got wedding. Sazaku City na free wine. Ira. Dana. Huh? $18.41. Oh, you get a restroom? Oh, mas iki kere netmecuk. İki. Kare şakku. İra. We gerek, paroseri gerek. Just a little tour before the wedding. Wedding. Ella beneficia yeri. Ah. Yeri gibi. Certificate wedding. 1313 Mel Street. That's the address for this place. Birthday big. Ooh. Damn, this place is pretty old. Era negiera 작가던 movies. Jason Lee. giriş yok. Abariye şapora andaci. Nece video. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Once again, our address for this place, 1313 Mill Street. You guys want to say something? That's it, yeah? You guys want to say something? Just be here on time, huh?
Yeah.
Just be here on time, guys.
BYOS.
BYOS. Alright guys.
You mean
Shoot.
B-I-O-S.